hello, I am Yvette. I tell you about my last trips. Um, okay, my first time was to Cancun for here. Okay. And it was to Cancun. I traveled by plane. I studied at a resort. The activities I did was visit the beach. I ate one. I ate the typical food of the area. Alright, I went to dance at Cocobongo. And I visited the archaeologist zone of the El Meco, where the castle ruins are located, at 5 levels pyramid. I also visited and enjoyed Delfines Beach. The second destination was Peru, to which I traveled by bus from the Bogota terminal to Lima. This tour lasted 4 days. I stayed at a hotel near Miraflores. The next day, I went on a bike tour to a plane to Cusco. Good to know Machu Picchu and the mountains of colors, where I enjoyed the landscapes and took several photos. The last flight was to Manhattan by plane. I visited Central Park, where I jogged and rode my bike. There was a large table. I had a little rest, and I had lunch in a Colombian restaurant. The next day, I went to the Times Square. It is big with many colors. I took pictures. Then I took the train and visited the American Museum of Natural History, where I observed and learned what they have a collection that consists of more than 32 million specimens. This plane is immense. Thank you.